For the most convenient process, we recommend using the following tools: a blade cutter, a power drill with an extension socket, and a PH1 bit. Alternatives include scissors and a PH1 screwdriver. Congratulations on receiving your set of S4GA PAPI 6.6A. In this video, we'll go over the unpacking process of the PAPI system. We'll show you the main components included in the delivery and how to identify each part before installation begins. Using a drill equipped with a PH1 bit, carefully unscrew the screws securing the wooden crate. Make sure to keep the screws aside in a safe place in case reassembly is needed. Then, lift the crate cover to reveal its contents. On top, you'll find a quality control checklist detailing all the included components along with their quantities. You'll also see a performance report for the PAPI lights, confirming that each unit has been tested and meets operational standards. Next, remove the power cable from the crate. It is positioned just behind the LED PAPI unit. Then, with the help of two individuals, carefully remove the PAPI unit from the crate, ensuring that no components are damaged during the process. Below the PAPI unit, you will find 3 support legs with frangible couplings already attached. 2 of the legs, intended for the front side of the PAPI, are each equipped with 4M12 nuts and 2 washers. The third leg, which is used at the rear, includes 4M12 nuts, 2 washers, and 4 plastic couplings. Finally, remove the 3 concrete base plates from the crate. Cut off the tape securing the box, then open it to reveal the frame inside. You will also find a document listing the product name and quantity included in the package. Carefully lift the frame out of the box, and using a cutter, gently remove the protective bubble wrap without damaging the frame. The control box is an optional item that is shipped upon request. Cut off the tape securing the box, then open it to reveal the products inside. You will also find a document listing the product name and quantity included in the package. Remove the control box power cable, then carefully take out the control box. Using a cutter, gently remove the protective bubble wrap without damaging the control box. When the control box is requested, an additional package containing 3 communication wires for the PAPI units is included in the shipment. Begin by lifting the cover of the package to reveal its contents. Inside, you will also find a document detailing the product names and quantities provided. Carefully remove the communication wires from the box. They are ready for immediate use. Cut off the tape securing the box, then open it to reveal the products inside. You will also find a document listing the product name and quantity included in the package. The package also comes with screws for mounting the PCU into the PAPI frame. Remove the power control unit, and using a cutter, gently remove the protective bubble wrap without damaging the unit. Inside the package, you will also find a bag with 3 mounting screws, 2 long spacers for the back side of the PCU and 1 short spacer for the front side of the PCU. The inclinometer is an optional item that is shipped upon request. Open the box to reveal the products inside. You will also find a document listing the product name and quantity included in the package. Remove the inclinometer out of the package, and it is ready to use.